Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to get or how to download AutoCAD and applications that are similar to AutoCAD that are absolutely for free. Well, AutoCAD isn't really for free. You can download it for 15 days with a free 15-day trial rather. And after the trial, you're gonna need to buy their features. So here you have different options here. So you can choose your plan depending on how you would use AutoCAD. So as you can see here, they have the standard, they have the premium, and they have the enterprise. So definitely if you're a student, you may just want to look at their standard option. They also have AutoCAD for education. So if you're a student, might want to check this out to confirm your eligibility. So usually schools partner up with Autodesk or AutoCAD for their students to get discounts. So if you're a student, definitely you want to check this out. Check your eligibility out so you can have maybe a premium plan for a much more reasonable cost. But if you don't have the budget for AutoCAD, definitely I have here two applications that you might want to look at. The first one we have is FreeCAD 1.0. FreeCAD is a 3D parametric modeler. It helps you build whatever you want online. And at the same time, it can create from 3D to 2D and back. It's also quite accessible and integrated, and it's designed for your needs. So if, whether you're a professional, you're a beginner, you're a student, and you want to check this out. If you're a beginner, you're looking into doing designs, then or creating models, then definitely you might want to check this out since it's absolutely for free. You just go to their website, click on the download here, and you can install it on three devices. You have Windows, Mac, or Linux. So that's very helpful. And that's it. Absolutely for free. Just download the installer and start creating your models. Now, another free install app that is free to install is SolveSpace. So SolveSpace again is a parametric 2D 3D CAD. You can create models using SolveSpace. So here they have their demo video. You want to check that out. If you want to download on the left corner of your screen, just go to download. And then here you have different versions that you can choose to download. However, for their oldest version, it's only available for Windows. But for their new versions, it's available for Linux and Mac as well. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.